Hi Capricorn, so gawin na natin ang inyong general love reading sa buwan ng February 2024 for whoever will resonate on this love reading para sa buwan ng February. Okay Capricorn, no? So, shuffle lang natin ng kaunti at kunin na natin ang inyong mga baraha. Okay, remember na maaari itong mag-resonate in the next 1 to 3 months. So, from February all the way to March. Okay? So, first card mo Capricorn sa love reading mo, February 2024, Chaos and Conflict. Okay. Second card mo, meron tayong Yin. Third card mo, Capricorn, meron kang To the Sea. Fourth card, meron tayong Happy. Mixed energies, no? Okay, and Yang. Okay, so may yin and yang. Napakaganda naman. May partnership agad, no? So, strongly love reading talaga to, no? Yin and yang, poles apart, divine feminine to. Yung sasabihin ko sa inyo kanina, feminine energy and divine masculine kung naniniwala kayo dyan. Or soulmate connection. Okay? So, isa sa inyo, ang nag-aantay ng communication or open, no? Maka-receive ng news or in-open mo yung sarili mo out there sa love in general kung single ka. Okay, kung hindi ka naman single or maaaring in no contact kayo or medyo rocky connection right now, or baka nagmo-move on tayo, basta you're receptive, no? Ibig sabihin open tayo, keep an open mind, i-open ang communication sa mga gustong pumasok at mag-message sa iyo kasi maaari na magkaroon ng restart or new beginning, bagong connection to or an old flame na may spark or magre-restart yung connection, gustong makipagbate, mag-i-initiate ng communication. Okay? Ay, hindi ko sineset ang hopes up nyo, pero yin and yang energy ay lumabas. I don't think na nakuha ko to in one spread ng magkasama. I think ngayon pa lang, as far as I remember. Okay? Ngayon naman, right now kasi yung situation medyo magulo, no? No, maraming pagtatalo, maraming pag-aaway, so kailangan nating mag-withdraw, no? Isa sa inyo or kayong dalawa maaaring mag-cool off or in no contact or in separation, right? O maaaring mag-break, sabihin na natin kasi magulo. Chaos and conflict to the sea. You see this? 'Di ba? Okay? Ang daming pagtatalo, hindi magkasundo. So mayroong isang bahala na mag-walk out muna ako. Hahanap muna ako ng somewhere safe na place na makakapag-isip ako, makakapag-relax ako, makakapag-focus muna ako sa sarili ko. Hindi ko isipin ko saan papatungo muna tong connection na to with your person. Pwedeng ikaw to, pwedeng siya. I-reverse yung situation. Hindi kasi kayo nagkakaintindihan eh. So, ang focus mo ngayon to the sea. Meron papasok sa February 2024 din. Sabihin ko sa inyo, kung may hinahanap kayo, after ng gulo, okay, ng hindi pagkakaunawaan, ng setback, no? So, in separation or in no contact or nag-move on ka. Okay? Has something to do to yin and yang, no? Na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Maybe may February 14 energy to. I don't know, for some reason, naramdaman ko yung Valentine's Day or dahil love is in the air for February para sa'yo, Capricorn. Magiging masaya ka. Nakita mo itong opposing energy, chaos and conflict. Okay? Though walang sequence to, still, kailangan natin i-consider yung position ng mga cards. Chaos and conflict. But still, na-open ka pa rin naman na mag-receive ng communication. Sa current person or sa new people. You're putting yourself out there or baka lang nagsa-soul searching ka. Okay? May spark napapasok. Okay? May magbibigay ng alab muli. Maaring connection nyo to at ikaw magiging receptive. Single or not, old or new, pwede mag-apply. Makakapagpasaya sa'yo sa February, Capricorn. Sinasabi ko sa inyo to. Alright? Binabasa lang natin ang mga baraha for what it is. So, sana nag-resonate kayo sa inyong February 2024 love reading in Tagalog. And I see you guys on your next month reading, Capricorn. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo. Bye!